Some ships disappear beneath the ocean, but others are left behind in the strangest places on Earth. From a giant ship trapped in the desert to abandoned wrecks hidden in tropical islands, these mysterious shipwrecks look almost unreal from space. And the stories behind them are even crazier. Here are the top 5 mysterious shipwrecks in the world.
SS Airfield, Australia. At first glance, this looks like a floating forest, but hidden beneath the trees is an abandoned ship. This is the SS Airfield in Australia. Built in 1911, the ship was later abandoned in Homebush Bay. Over time, nature completely took over. Trees and mangroves began growing through the wreckage, creating one of the strangest shipwrecks on Earth. It almost feels like the planet is reclaiming it.
MV Panagiotis, Greece. This may be the most beautiful shipwreck in the world. The MV Panagiotis became stranded on a beach in Greece during the 1980s. Some stories claim it was involved in smuggling operations before crashing here. Today, the wreck sits trapped between massive cliffs and bright blue water. From above, it looks almost fake, like something from a movie.
SS Mahino, Australia. This rusting wreck has been sitting on the shores of Australia for nearly a century. The SS Mahino was once a luxury ocean liner before it was destroyed by a cyclone in 1935. The powerful storm pushed the ship onto the beach, where it became permanently stranded. Over the decades, the ocean slowly tore it apart. Today, its remains still sit on the sand like a ghost from another era. From above, it almost looks frozen in time.
Edward Bolen, Namibia. Now this one makes absolutely no sense. Why is there a massive ship sitting in the middle of a desert? This is the Edward Bolen in Namibia. The ship ran aground in 1909 due to heavy fog. But over time, the coastline changed and the ocean slowly moved away. Today, the wreck sits surrounded by sand, far from the water. It looks impossible, but it's real.
World Discoverer, Solomon Islands. Hidden near the jungle-covered islands of the Pacific, this abandoned cruise ship still sits quietly in the water. The World Discoverer struck an underwater reef in the year 2000. To prevent it from sinking completely, the captain intentionally grounded the ship near shore. Amazingly, everyone survived, but the ship was never recovered. Today, the rusting wreck remains frozen in time, slowly being consumed by nature.
From forests growing inside ships to giant wrecks stranded in the desert, these mysterious shipwrecks prove that reality can look stranger than fiction. Which one shocked you the most? Comment below and subscribe for more hidden places from Earth.